Hello and welcome to Stairlift Guru. Today we will be looking at home renovation for the elderly in the UK. But before we start, do not forget to head over to stairliftguru.co.uk to get your free stairlift quote. We are your one-stop shop for all things when it comes to stairlifts. Let us now get into it and start. As we get older, it is sometimes best to make home renovations to our home to make them more accessible. Discussing downsizing with a loved one, tips and tricks. A loved one who is about to downshift or is not the best audience for you in the middle of doing so. Going on a new journey may be frustrating and daunting, but there are steps you can take to ease yourself into it. It is critical to begin by adopting a constructive attitude toward the situation and refraining from using outdated words such as modernization or downsizing. Instead, use the sentence name strategy, righting the wrongs, and teach your loved one about giving up rights. Here are some ways of discussing downsizing. See both sides of what you are saying. People will personally assist you with understanding the concepts. Several hypotheses may be advanced, and each one must be discussed for a properly accessible debate to take place. It may be any of the following. If required, proximity to the family is essential. Deal with worries of your loved ones. When you're trying to figure out where someone else is coming from, listening is essential in a conversation. Before developing an action plan, you would first observe what others are doing. Please make the most of the transition by discussing all fears and apprehensions tactfully and in light of its advantages. Instead, it's an effort to provide them with resources to help them deal with the inevitable reality of aging. Be thoughtful to what they are saying. Try to put yourself in their shoes and think of what they are going through. Using this mental strategy to a potentially challenging task ahead of time, be mindful of your emotional reaction. Having luxury can be exhausting and drain resources. Be open to talk about it with your loved one. For that matter, it will take some convincing to get your loved one to value your ideas. To enforce this policy, solid arguments will have to be made to persuade them of its advantages. It will take some time to include the requested details. Look at alternatives that could help you. Sometimes moving out and downsizing is not always the solution. But sometimes, because of your loved one's mobility problems, then they may struggle to get up and down their stairs. But there are other options, such as home renovation and home adaptations, for example, buying stairlifts. These will help your loved ones get up and down safely again. Stairlift prices do range, but they are a lot cheaper than downsizing. Discussing downsizing and home renovation with a loved one will start a helpful conversation. Attempt to consider your lover and be honest with yourself. Think of the future profits and disadvantages. Recognize that transformations are daunting, however, emphasize the benefits. Best bathroom design for people with mobility issues, UK. The bathroom is a trendy area of the house. It may also be restricted for those with accessibility issues, but it is also one of the most deadly. If your loved one comes to your home or ages in place, here are some bathroom design for people with mobility issues. Mobility bathroom tips for people in the UK. Home renovations such as installing grab bars in the bathroom will help, so moving in and out of the bathtub and the toilet would be easier for the elderly. Place non-slip, self-adhesive mats inside and outside the tub and bathroom, along with the sink. The damp floor keeps these mattresses in place. A platform in tub allows you to step into and out of the tub without straining your feet. A walk-in bath can be beneficial for senior citizens who are unable to get out of the shower. Installing an elevated toilet seat has many advantages for disabled people. Installing a handle to spin the handle or going hands-free allows the job easier for less skill. Prevent others from being scalded by hot water. Adequate lighting ensures obstacles because everybody must be able to see the bath. Summary of bathroom design for people with mobility issues. There are some ways for bathroom design for people with mobility issues. A bathroom can be very dangerous for someone who has mobility difficulty. You want to make sure you take this seriously and look out for the safety of loved ones. Not only looking at adding mobility aids in the bathroom, but you also want to look at adding mobility aids around the home, such as buying a stairlift. This means you can make sure your loved one is safe getting up and down the stairs. Stairlift prices do range when it comes to straight stairlifts to curved stairlifts, but you can't put an actual price on the safety of your loved ones in their home. Thank you for listening to our video on home renovation for the elderly in the UK. We hope this has helped you understand more. If you want to buy a stairlift, then please go to our website and get a free quote at stairliftguru.co.uk, or if you just want to learn more, then go to our website to learn more. Thank you.